All right, guys, we are still in Mirada, the Lagoon community here in San Antonio, Florida. We're about to take a tour of the Coral model, which is over 2,700 square foot, over 2 stories, 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and the ladies are going to take you inside to tour the interior.
Welcome home. My name is Anelis, and we are in the Coral floor plan. What you'll notice first is that you are offered a flex space that could be also converted into a living space, and you have your entrance to the garage right to your side. As you walk through the foyer, you are greeted by the open concept area here. You have a grand kitchen with granite countertops, 42-inch uppers, and stainless steel appliances. Right off the kitchen, you have your dining room area as well as your triple sliding glass door leading you outside. This floor plan offers a spacious living room, and right off the living room area, you have your own private bedroom here off of the first floor.
Alright guys, now how cool is this? You have your own loft area or own game room. The ginormous master bathroom. So you have your shower as well as a garden tub, 2 sinks. And then we have the second bedroom upstairs, which is going to be right across from that primary bedroom. Lastly, once you come up those stairs, you're going to hang a right and you're going to have your bathroom, as well as the last bedroom. This is going to be bedroom number 4.
That's the tour of the Coral model here at Mirada Lagoon in San Antonio, Florida. If you like that, please like, subscribe, check out our channel. We have more models that we're going to be doing, so check it out.